see the resurrectional power working on you. Resurrectional power working on you. I see God giving you gift. I call it Easter gift. You are asking, what could the gift be? Even me, I don't know, is what I heard I said. Easter gift. Before today will be over, you will see a manifestation of what I prophesied. Before today will be over, it is done. In Jesus' name. Wave your hands, everyone. I lift my hands over you. Receive your own Easter blessings. I prophesy that the resurrectional power of God